So tell us how it's feeling. Yeah, go for it. I taken off this to go in. I'm not wearing my hike shirt in there. I have a vest underneath for that. How y'all feeling it? Well, I mean, I know you're feeling muddy.
You can jump in and close your eyes, but you're going to be hard to open your eyes.
Wait for it. It feels real good. Once your whole body submerged except your head, it feels nice. People just lay down here and want to sleep away in this. Because it's like in a spa.
Yeah, boy. Jeez, hombre. For you, easy.
Yeah. Woo, enjoying this little walk of us. The whole group on our way up to the beach. We had a good swim, we had a good eat. Time to enjoy the beach. Yeah, boy. You can see the condition up inside here. Rougher by the day. Here we are. On the way to the beach. We're all caked in mud, so we're all feeling very dried up. You only see the condition, yums. We are walking our way, finally going to exit the trail that leads to L'eau Michel Beach. Watch as we make our way out. I could hear the others screaming already. The front group is out there enjoying themselves, swimming away, enjoying the waves. Here we go. Oh, they're not marking you in. Reach the beach. I can imagine. Look at the condition this beach is in. Oh, I thought you was proposing. How's everybody doing out there? That doesn't sound too enthusiastic. Alicia, how you doing over there? Nice! Look at the condition of this beach. Every time I come out here, it gets further and further out. How y'all doing there? Enjoy yourself? Nah, don't lie. Maureen, you enjoy it? What'd you think of it? Yeah, alright. Oh, okay, nice. That sounds great. How y'all doing there? How y'all doing there?
Very fine.
Y'all enjoy yourself so far?
Yes.
Yes, sir. This was very much
No lie.